Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Community nice yan eh.
Community nice.
Couple years ago, kung ko nasa Kongkong sila nga, no? Ano na, drive by.
Oh my God.
Nice man.
Okay, so this has been a good experience for you now. Your kids here with you and
Yeah man, minabi at karo pa naman ang pandang na place.
okay, great. Thank you very much here. And what's your experience? What's your name first?
Rochelle.
Rochelle. Hi Rochelle. And that's your daughter?
Yes.
Okay. So you live here?
Yes.
And what has been your experience in recently?
Well, the place get nicer because you can walk freely, no one sit down anywhere you feel like.
Yes.
Most of the people them but usually get trouble not there here anymore. So
Oh, okay, okay, great. Thank you so much. Yeah.
same thing.
All right, good. And then, can I put you on camera, sir? Nah. I'm Leo Gilling. I mean, we are all in this now to try to help the community as much as we can, right? So we're from all across the world. It's our first time meeting my diaspora team, and we come just to find out about the community and see what it is that we can do additionally to help. All right. So you've been working in this community for a while,
Yes, I have.
and so you've seen the change.
I have seen a very drastic change actually.
Yes.
The community from what I once know was very volatile. Now it's not really peaceful as yet, but
Yes, it's getting there.
It's getting there. And with help, can reach there.
So you are one of the officers that we play domino too? Come you say a big old domino thing about sometimes. Yes. It's nice to hear that the police officers and the community working together to make this a better place.
Yes, because we have an initiative from Langowai where we do a lot of community-based policing here, not because of the attire.
Right.
We do a lot of community-based policing where we go around and talk to the residents, because without the help of the residents, crime can't stop.
And you know we don't get good feedback in the diaspora about police officers. Every time you hear police officers this, police officers that, no, I'm inside of a community that is doing its best to come back, and I'm seeing here where the police is a big part of this comeback. So I'm happy to hear, and kudos to you.
Yes, sir.
Can I know your name?
Mr. Hamilton is my name, Jamie Hamilton.
Jamie, thank you very much, sir. All right, we have a nice day. All right, it's Leo Gilling coming to you from Salt Spring. Now people are out on the streets in Salt Spring. Once upon a time they couldn't, and they wouldn't because, yes. So here we are, and it's really nice to be in Salt Spring. I first meet come at Salt Spring, and I used to work over in farm school. All right, have a nice day, everybody.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have two more issues we're going to talk about, but before we talk about these other two things, viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to you about this video that is out on social media that shows of residents in the country of Jamaica at an area that is known as Salt Spring, talking about how the crime and violence had eased down and so forth. That's what I'm saying to you. And viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where some comments have been made where you can see say people love these things and the people appreciate these things. That's what I say. The crime and violence thing need to stop. You see me? The bun up clad criminal, them do be a forgery and a funk up the country. It need to stop. You understand? And viewers and subscribers, let me tell you something about crime and violence. You see, if the crime and violence thing don't ease up, it will continue and spread through the whole country like a disease until Jamaica just become known as a well bad place. I mean, I want Jamaica to be somewhere like that. You see me? You see it? So, me I say this, the crime and violence thing need to stop. You see me? No want, it need to stop. You alright? Yeah. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about, viewers and subscribers, is about a man that is said to be Jamaican born, and it is said that that man is wanted within the United States of America for the murder of his girlfriend from sometime in May 2018. Alright? Now, according to reports, this man that had been wanted in the US had been arrested in Jamaica in Negril, that is of the parish of Westmoreland, and this said to have happened on the 2nd of February 2020. Now, according to reports, the last name of the man that had been accused of killing his girlfriend is known as Headley, and it is said that Headley had shot and killed his girlfriend at the family home. It is said that the female that had been killed by Headley is the mother of Headley's 2 children. Now, it is said that the person that is known as Headley will be sent back to the United States of America to answer to charges. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? Now, please bear in mind that what I just told you is based on reports out there, and that there might be more information about this whole issue. You understand me? Now, viewers and subscribers, the next thing we're going to talk about, actually, I am going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, this video is going to show of a female talking about some comments that have been made about a post, or some posts, like, posts that have been made on social media about persons that are said to be Jamaicans that are in China. And these persons that are said to be Jamaicans that are in China, they want to come back home to Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, because these persons that are in China and want to come back to Jamaica because of the whole coronavirus issue, some comments had been made that they are basically said to be not good. And viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, some of the comments that have been made about this whole issue of Jamaicans in China want to come back home to Jamaica because of the coronavirus, some of these comments really and truly is just it's not good to me. I mean, some of these comments could have had a little more compassion in it and a little more concern, you see me, because we are talking about human beings here, and we are talking about persons that are worried. Is what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers. So basically what I'm looking at now, viewers and subscribers, I mean, we know that we have to protect ourselves from this virus, but at the same time, we have to still have a heart. You get what I'm saying to you? But however, viewers and subscribers, even though a lot of persons might want these persons to come back home to Jamaica, you see what I'm saying to you? There are certain steps has to be taken before this can happen. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? So even if the government of Jamaica want to do it immediately, they still have to go through a certain procedure. You understand me? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave this video right about now with you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to leave this video, and you can also tell me what you think about this video that I'm about to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. And you can also tell me about the other 2 issues as well. You see me? And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, and you can also click the notification bell so that you can be notified as soon as I release a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And you don't know the things set already. Me Dancehall Skilla, I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Alright, so here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I'm looking at the comments association on social media. I know what? I can't hide my views no more. I have to come call it out and ball it out. You see, some of the Jamaicans who have no compassion on the heart. Government, send for the people them down in China. Send for the Jamaican them down in China. You're not going to tell me say I have no space that Jamaica can put them and treat them and observe them. Look how much bush on them, something they grow at Jamaica. Look how much bush doctor can give them herbs and something. You see, if I did Uno and no family in the situation, only that time it means something to Uno. Uno is a terrible savage set of people. Government, send for the people them down China. I notice with the Jamaican, if I don't win somebody, I win on the door with them, only with people when them rise, not when them a fall. On the door loyal, on the stay so. I not talk the whole Jamaican, know the dirty percentage of when I talk. Government send for the people them down at China, on the 2 wicked. The people down there study for the doctor, and guess what? The coronavirus never come out. Guess what on that do? When she done study for become doctor, and claim her up and own her up, her son do with everybody all the while. Anytime them a win, them a clap, and anytime them a lose, them can't find enough to still get them a pat on the back. Uno is a terrible, savage set of people. Government send for the people them down at China, you hear? I don't know what the big heap of excitement for about coronavirus and all afraid for get killed and what have you. Look what going down there, eh? On afraid for infected by coronavirus. Look how much I know infected with bad mind. I hit me the country I go and say bad mind infect the whole I know down there. I know not panic. So when I come talk about send for the people them down in China. Your government don't listen to them. Send for the people them down in China. I feel with people them. I feel with brother and sister them. Send for the people them down in China. Oh, it's a terrible set of people. Only too savage and awful. Even if you don't want the government send for the people them down in China. You don't want to hear them and see them in the comments association box. How them are go on and how them are behave. No bitter little, encouraging words or nothing. Them just savage and just don't care. So kawa and a phone, no mother or father, or sister, or brother, or cousin, or auntie, or boyfriend. The person don't relate to the son, don't care, don't have no meaning to no. A son stay no all for himself and a savage set of dirty people. Sometimes I can't bother to be a Jamaican. God no.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skiller! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skiller! You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.